welcome back to Exhibit. For those who don't know me, I am Untumekelelo Lusiza Siefu, but you can call me Ntu for the boys, for the girls, for everybody. Please do not forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment so that our family can grow. So on today's video, basically it's a cooking vlog. I just want to show you how I make my steamed bread. And because it's cold outside, so I just had to make a steamed bread with obviously nyama, like nyama and some veggies on the side, but the main thing here is the steamed bread. I hope you enjoy this cooking vlog. Things you'll need, literally yeast, sugar, flour, water and salt, and obviously like a teaspoon, a cup or whatever, and then something that you'll make your dough in. So since I'll be making dough for one person, I'll use like a cup and a half of flour, I'll use a teaspoon and a half of yeast, I'll use 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt and a quarter of lukewarm water. Ta-da! Okay. That's my water. So you just mix it with your spoon. You can use your hands if you want, it doesn't really matter. So I'm done. I'm just gonna like now close it like this, and then I'll go put it like where there's like a little bit of warmth so that it can rise. I'm gonna put it here, guys, where it seems like there's a little bit of sunlight. Yeah, so it's too cold. The yeast doesn't really, it's low basically. So I'll put it there with the sunlight and then see. So this is after an hour and look, it's like way bigger. So what you have to do is get a spoon and just like do this, then this is basically what you do. And then you close it again and go put it there by the sunny place or warm place. So back to the warm place, I'll keep it for like an hour. Then after an hour, I'll show you how it is. Basically, this helps with making the bread like bent off on top for kuthiwa yintoni sibe fluffy, ithini isingesi ndiyazi man, but sibe laugh. Okay, so They do. I'm just rubbing my hands with oil. And you put oil on your... You can use cups. Other people use cups. Other people use like... Make sure that the oil is enough, but also not too much. This is to help the spread not to stick on the... See? Like this. Hope it's not too much. Like this. And then now you put your... So there's water inside. You put like boiling water. And then you basically like steam it for like an hour 30. It's after an hour and 30 minutes. So to test or check if it's ready, you do this. And then it comes back clean. And it's good. It's good, it's good, it's nice. I'm just gonna take it out of the pot. Yay! Yay! Woo. So you just wait for it to like cool down. Before you let it cool down, just do this on the sides so that when you want to take it out, it does not stick on the thing. Okay, let me try it actually. Yeah. Yeah. And you have your steamed bread. Yeah. So let me try to cut it. Ooh. Okay, it's still hot. But basically you have your steamed bread. There it is. There. And then you obviously enjoy it with whatever that you want to enjoy it. I'll show you what I'm about to eat it with them now. So I'm having my steamed bread with fried butternut, a spinach with cheese, and lamb stew. Alala. Yeah. And it's a wrap. We are done. Now I'm about to, gauge. T-shirt.